Welcome. This is daily attendance for February 20th, okay? And we will be having chapter 2 this week for homework. Remember that your lecture, the lecture that is attached to the link where you upload your homework, it does not give you the instructions on what you have to do for chapter 2. Now, of course, you have to read it, but each class is different, and so that's why I put the timestamps. But you will not find the instructions on your homework in the lecture. The lecture is just about the chapter, and I only discuss that. I don't mention what the assignment is, okay? They are pre-recorded, so I've recorded those before, so just so you'll know, okay? But there is a link attached to, the video has a link when you, in chapter 2, okay? So there's a video to the lecture of that chapter, but you will not find the instructions there, okay? So hopefully you'll be seeing this on Sunday and you'll have a great, a good 2 days to upload it. Remember that these assignments, the daily attendance is due, I think I put like 7 o'clock in the afternoon. I really need the attendance in, and if you didn't get it in on time, then when I take roll, you will be counted absent, okay? But you still have a full day to upload your screenshot and get a credit for it. It's very, very, very important that you keep up with your attendance. Then if there's a discrepancy, then it becomes very muddled, okay? So I think that's it. I think everybody has found my class, okay? I highly encourage you to, turn on the notifications so that way you know when I'm uploading. And I will proceed for the homework. I will see you tomorrow. We'll upload another video on Tuesday, okay? And that'll be Tuesday's daily attendance. But this is Monday's daily attendance, but I uploaded it on Sunday, so that way you have enough time to get it in, all right? Should you have any questions, please reach out. Teams is my preferred platform, okay? If you have not downloaded Teams, I highly encourage you to do so, all right? And we're just coming along. I really love the way, it all began, and I think we've had a very smooth beginning. Just an FYI, please keep up to date with my classes. I've noticed that whoever fails my class for whatever reason has some challenges and can't pass the second time or the third time for whatever reason. I don't know what happens. It's a very interesting phenomena, okay? So try to keep up with it. My class is very simple: daily attendance, homework, Monday, Tuesday, the rest of the day, the rest of the week, you have it to yourself. The only thing that's really pressing in terms of deadlines is your daily attendance. Homework will be due on Wednesday midnight, so please get it in, okay, so I can grade it. Part of all the deadlines that exist is to be able to have grades up to date and to see and really take some sort of intervention for struggling students. And so that way we have appropriate documentation in terms of attendance and grades for assignments that we can really follow up with whoever is struggling. So if you don't catch up, right, and you're failing, at this point, you're probably going to start, receiving calls from Miss Marcy, which is the administrative assistant for MA, and of course me. I'll be texting you and calling you up. So please be mindful and get it in. You have made a commitment to yourself first and foremost, and of course to the school, and then later to your professors and teachers, okay? So you will be having homework this week. It'll be due Wednesday midnight. Make sure that you copy and paste the questions and then write in the answer, and then you title it chapter 2 Miss Sermin, right, or whatever the name of the homework is as well, and then you upload it to the link that I have provided within that week. It's usually named chapter 2 homework assignment upload here, okay? So remember that it's due Wednesday midnight, and we will be doing chapter 2, and I will begin with English 133 A500, okay, and A501, all right? So you will be doing within your chapter 2 that you have to read. You have to do tests 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So what you have to do is read the chapter. This is for English 133, A500 and A501. You have to do the tests. They're usually at the end of the chapter. When you text me and say, I can't find the test, that means you haven't read the chapters, okay? So test 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Make sure that you copy and paste it. I don't want you to write out the test. It's very cumbersome. I want you to do my homework as quickly and as fast as you can get it done, and copying and pasting is important. It also is developing your skills, your editing skills in any type of platform, whether it be your your iPad, whether it be your phone, or whether it be your computer. And so that way you become more proficient in your editing tools, and that's why I do that as well as and also for you to save time and be able to have more mastery within your other classes and be able to do the same. Okay, moving along to business communication, A500 and A501. Okay, you will be doing chapter 2, all right, and it's questions 1 through 19. I believe that it's called Learning Objective Checkup is where the section is, and you will be doing objectives 2.1 through 2.7, questions 1 through 19, all right, in chapter 2. So chapter 2, business communication, A500 and A501, do the Learning Objective Checkup. It's questions 1 through 19, and they're within the objectives of 2.1 through 2.7. Make sure that you copy and paste that onto a Word document with your answers. So copy and paste the objective, copy and paste the question and the number of the question, and then write in your answer, okay? Or copy and paste the answer. It's a multiple choice, so copy and paste the answer that you think is correct, and then you title your paper and you upload to the link. So hope this helped. Love and light. Ciao.